Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
We asked the governor at her press conference Friday if she'd sign such a bill. Her response, quote, absolutely not.
I'm very adamant about this. This is a very dangerous piece of legislation. It's totally irresponsible.
She says if the legislature wants to end a public health emergency, they already have the power by law to do so. But the Republicans issued a statement saying the legislation does not seek to terminate it, but rather it requires the executive branch to be, quote, more forthright with their actions. In a compromise amendment, Democrat Majority Leader Talina Nelson made it 90 days after the initial declaration before the governor has to seek Senate approval for extensions.
You know how quickly the legislature cannot move. And to even say 90 days, I don't think they should have. I don't think that they should have the authority to renew this public health emergencies every month.
Republicans insist it's not a legislative power grab, but rather, quote, an elevation of the authority to promote checks and balances. And in response to testimony from pandemic frontline agency heads, the GOP says it will not impede their work. But as she said, the governor is adamant that the current process is working and she will continue it as long as necessary.
And, again, guided by advice from the medical community, from the science community, from data and what's going on around, because we are very much impacted by what's going on around our island. In order for us to get these financial aid, we have to be a declared public health emergency. And by law, the individual that does that is the governor of Guam.
For Guam's News Network, I'm Nestor Lecanto.
Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.